Well, I see you subscribed. Thank you very much. And welcome back to the part of the market update where we break down the best strategies to help you succeed, whether you're buying, selling, or investing in Ada or Canyon County. And you're now officially part of the smart crowd, getting an insider look at what's really happening in the Boise real estate markets. So let's dive into the latest strategy insights based on the March 2025 data. Buyers, use inventory to your advantage. Buyers, this is the moment to play offense, but smartly. In both Ada and Canyon County, active listings continued to rise through March. Ada County had 1,536 single-family homes on the market, the highest we've seen since last summer, and Canyon County wasn't far behind, with 1,065 active listings, showing a steady climb from February. That means selection is improving, and you're not competing in those frenzied bidding war conditions that we saw during the pandemic years. But that doesn't mean everything is sitting. In Ada County, the average days on market dropped to 45, and in Canyon County, it ticked down to 52. That tells us that well-presented, well-priced homes are still moving, and they're moving faster than they were earlier this year. Your strategy right now should center around two identifying specific types of opportunities. First, focus on homes that have been sitting for longer than 30 days. These sellers are usually either overpriced or just waiting for a more serious offer, and you might be the one who can negotiate better terms. Second, lean into new construction. Ada County has 806 new construction homes on the market, while Canyon County has 613, both significant inventory levels for builders. And when builders are sitting on inventory, they become motivated. We're seeing rate buy downs, closing cost assistance, appliance packages, and even landscaping credits being offered, especially on homes that have been sitting since winter. So don't just look at the sticker price, ask what incentives are on the table. And to know more about what's on this table, go ahead and click on this video in the upper right-hand corner, and it'll tell you what incentives the builders are currently offering. With mortgage rates staying around the mid to high 6 range, time is your currency. Make offers on the homes with the highest potential for negotiation and use today's slower pace to do your due diligence without pressure. And of course, if you do have any further questions or you are looking for professional representation, buying a home right out here in the Treasure Valley, please feel free to reach out to me. And also, if you haven't yet, feel free to download my free relocation guide. This is packed full of information that will help you make the best decisions when you decide to move. You can either find that in the link below in the description or just simply scan the QR code right over here to my left. Buyers, I look forward to hearing from you. Sellers, price sharp, present strong. For sellers in either county, this spring isn't business as usual. Yes, we're entering the busiest selling season of the year, but the data shows that we're not in a market where you can simply list at a dream number and expect multiple offers within 48 hours. In Ada County, for example, 645 homes sold in March, while 1,208 went pending. A healthy demand curve, but not overwhelming. In Canyon County, 392 homes sold with 805 pending, which also indicates solid activity, but still plenty of competition. The pace has picked up slightly, but buyers are being selective. They have more choices and they're not rushing out unless a home truly stands out. The real story, though, is in the cancels and expireds. Ada County saw 186 canceled listings in March and 14 expireds, while Canyon County had 85 cancels and 8 expireds. That's over 290 homeowners who tried the market and didn't succeed. And the common thread is usually pricing. So if you're selling right now, precision matters more than ever. A home that is priced just 2 to 3% too high will sit while others move. And once your days on market climbs past 30, buyers start circling like sharks, waiting for your price to drop. Your best shot at top dollar is within the first 2 weeks. So don't blow it with wishful pricing thinking. Stage your home, get professional photos, and price it competitively. That's what winning looks like in this market. And of course, if you'd like to know more about your house or what your home may be worth in today's market, please feel free to visit my website at www.mpre.homes. Click on the Home Evaluation tab in the upper right-hand corner and obtain it. Now, you most likely will hear from me, but I pride myself on being a non-pressured real estate agent. If anything, I would just simply like to call and see how it is I can help when you're ready. But of course, if you are ready now and you are looking to see exactly what your home is priced in today's market through a comparative market analysis and would like to know our best strategies on how to get you the most money possible and sell your home in the quickest amount of time possible in today's market, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to set up that 30-minute appointment with you and go over that information. Sellers, I look forward to hearing from you. All right, and lastly, investors, look for the margin plays. For investors eyeing the Boise metro area, the market is starting to offer some real opportunities, especially when you run the numbers side by side with other Western markets. Let's talk appreciation first. From March 2023 to March 2025, Ada County's median home sold price rose by 14.43%, from $483,450 to $565. Canyon County jumped from $395,490 to $424,995. That's a 6.95% increase. So while Canyon County is still the more affordable entry point, Ada County is showing a stronger appreciation, which may make long-term buy and holds more compelling. But what's really exciting is the rental return potential, with average rents for single-family homes in Ada County hovering between $1,900 and $2,200, and in Canyon County between $1,750 and $2,000. We're seeing cap rates in the 4.2 to 5% range, depending on the area and purchase price. That's extremely healthy, especially when compared to markets like Seattle or San Francisco, where cap rates barely break 3%. As for strategy, two solid paths. First, go after new construction in both counties. Builders are still offering investor-friendly incentives, especially if you can close quickly or purchase multiple units. Ada's 806 new builds and Canyon's 613 are sitting longer than expected, and builders do not want to carry that inventory into the summer. This is where your leverage lies. Second, start targeting value-add opportunities. Properties that have been on the market for 45 plus days, especially those that are in need of cosmetic updates, are primed for negotiation. You can often secure them below market value, put in a light rehab, and either rent them out or flip them for a modest return. Look closely at areas like Kuna, South Napa, West Meridian, and pockets of Garden City. These submarkets are seeing increased rent demand and steady appreciation. The bottom line is, though, if you're willing to be strategic and dig in, the Boise metro market is offering margin plays that weren't here 12 to 18 months ago. So investors, the numbers out here are looking attractive. And if you would like to know more or like to know about certain capitalization rates in these particular areas, feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to talk investment strategy with you and get you the investment properties you are looking for. Investors, I look forward to hearing from you. So if this video helped you get a clearer picture of the market, do me a favor, like this video and share it with someone who's thinking about making a move, and make sure to download my free relocation guide. It's loaded with everything you need to know about moving and living in Boise, Idaho. I'm Mike Petras with MPRE Boise, and I will see you next time with more strategies based upon real data and boots on the ground experience. Thank you again for watching. God bless. And I look forward to the day that I call you my neighbor.